Hi, today I will present you my new knitting machine, the Sentro. I received it a couple of days ago, but I didn't have time to do the video. So I redo the video in English because the original one was in French, so that's why I'm putting my voice over the video right now. I opened the box, it was a little bump on the back, but I was hoping that nothing was wrong with it. So I opened the box. And everything was fine in it. And the machine comes with a lot of information with picture, and everything is in English and Japanese or Chinese, I'm not sure, but there's a lot of picture. It's very easy to understand, even if you never have any machine like that before. And they give you some yarn to try, but it's not quality yarn, but at least it worked on the machine to try, to give it a try. So the machine comes with 4 feet and a ball. So I have 4 balls. Maybe I have enough to do a hat. So the machine comes with 4 feet, screwdriver, couple of needle, a big one, medium one, and a small one. And those feet are just clipping on the machine. It's very easy. See the needle? If you like the longer one, you got one. And the crochet, the hook is a 3.75 millimeter. And also have a tension, a yarn tension to put on. I never put that, but it's better if you use it. So the machine have a counter, and it's not noisy. It's only do a little zzz when it pass through the yarn feeder, so it's very nice to use. So you clip your feet like this, and then you turn it and push a little bit more to make sure the 4 feet are well attached to the machine. There. I put my machine on a rubber mat, so that way it's not moving and I don't have to attach it on my table. So I find the crank is very comfortable to use, and they also have a different color needle to start your project. So we'll try the machine with the yarn they give it to me with it. So I cast the machine, one in the back, one in the front. And the counter will get to 1 when I have the white needle just in front of the yarn feeder. I put the yarn in the yarn feeder. I don't really like the yarn feeder. Maybe it's because I don't use the tension gadget, but you have to keep a close eye on. You see, the yarn is removing itself from the yarn feeder. So if I don't put the tension gadget, I probably put a little tape over the yarn to keep it in there. So the crank is okay, nice and comfortable. I really like the crank, easy. So this machine have 48 needle. That's the biggest one I have for now. And the counter is there. So you see here, there's a lot of picture and explain well how to fix it and how to make it run correctly. And Any question you could have, it's all in there. Very, very well explained. So I'll put that aside again, and I will show you this. This is a little thing that if you want to do a flat panel or circular, regular knitting, you use that switch. But if you do flat panel with this machine, that's a ick, because the counter doesn't work when you go left and right. So it only works like when you go to one way. So that's something I don't like too. So I don't like the yarn feeder, and I don't like the counter that just count one way. But still a good machine for me anyways. A lot of people have a good one and some have bad experience with this machine, but for me it was okay for the price and very comfortable, and the stitches are okay. My little one used it. She said that's her own machine. I'm not allowed. That's funny, but she liked it. She's the one who's cranking it right now. So I decided to give it a try with all the yarn I have to make a hat. I will do a 130 row hat, and maybe I will be lucky to have enough to do a pom-pom. So when I get too long on the machine, I will turn it like that, like a turtleneck, to give a little tension on my stitches. So now I remove it from the machine. All done. I will cut it and remove it. You have to go and follow your yarn, and you start removing the stitches just beside the end of your yarn. Là. So you remove it stitch by stitch like this. I will make it faster to save some time. Don't worry. I will slow down after. You will see how to remove it. There. Almost done. If you have any question, just ask it in the comment. I will answer it as soon as I can. So I close one side of the hat right now. I will secure it with a double knot. And after that, I have to stretch my work. There. After that, you stretch it. Ah. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And close the other side of the two. The yarn that come with it was not very comfortable with. Was thicker and some was not soft. It's not my kind of yarn that I use usually on those machines. So, but it was okay to give it a try. And finally I have enough to do the hat. So that's nice if they send us enough yarn to do a hat or a project or a scarf for kids, I don't know. There. Close it. Almost done. There. Reach the other side. And with my needle I will go and reach the middle of the hat and attach both yarn together to close the hat, so that way it will stay like a hat, not a scarf. So I do a double knot here, and I will show you after how to do a pom-pom with the Clover pom-pom maker. And I don't know what happened, but it was a cut on the making of my pom-pom. So if you're not sure how to do it and you want to try it, just check on my channel. I have a couple of other video that I show how to use a Clover pom-pom maker, so you'll be okay. But for this video it will be okay. You see that you're able to do a project at least with the yarn they give it with the machine. So that's it. That's a pom-pom Clover maker, and the leftover yarn that I have. So you go and you will turn it around it for this side, and when it's full you're gonna go to the other side to do the same. The missing part is the cutting. When you finish both sides, you put it together and you see there's a line in the middle. You follow that with your scissors, and then you attach it with a yarn, and then you open the Clover maker and you got your pom-pom. But I don't know why there's a missing piece in the video. Sorry for that. I am only human and I'm not a professional. I'm just a mother who tried to help others enjoying their machine. There, almost finished this side. You will see with cut, I don't know why, but there's a cut there. There, this is the way it's supposed to be, and I do the same thing the other side. There, both sides are there. You see, you didn't see me cut the pom-pom, but I explain you how to get the information. So to attach the pom-pom, never attach it like in the middle. Just go just a little bit aside of the middle of the hat, and it will be more stable on the hat. See, just a little bit, like a centimeter each side. Almost finished our project. There. I will attach it with a double knot, and I did in the 2 layer of the yarn, the project. Double layer. There. That's it. It was done. So hope you like my little video. I enjoy my Sentro. Hope you will too. See you soon. Ciao ciao.